pure sine wave output without damaging your appliance. Because many of the same products in the market, it has a damage to your appliance. I think you may hear the news like this, that if you use your power bank to charge your iPhone for many times, the battery of your phone will be damaged, right? Yes, it will shorten their lifetime, but this will not, because it is pure sine wave current output. So it is very safe and it is very stable. It will never damage your appliance at all. And the most important of this production is it green renewable energy. Why? Because it get power. It can get power. You can see this is not the simple power bank, the simple power station. It is not a simple power. It can get power from the solar panels freely and eco-friendly. What does that mean? You have no need of charging it at home every time when you want to go outside. You just need to bring it and bring your solar panel. You just use the solar panel and it connects the solar panel and it together. The solar panel from the outside, from the environment, can charge for it. Yes, this is a green renewable energy. I think this is the most attractive points of this production for all of our customers. And this production is the most popular production of our company now, because many our foreign customers very like the green renewable energy. You don't need to charge it at home, and it is very expensive to afford electricity fee, right? It is very expensive to charge it. But you can just bring your solar panels and go outside, go for a camping, go for a climbing, or go fishing, go swimming, go everything you want outside. You just need to bring your panel to charge for it. Because it is 1+ cycle. It can save 13 kWh and reducing 23 kilograms carbon emissions. It is very good. It is very great. This is a very great function of this production, I think. And it has been equipped with MPPT algorithm. So it will be 20% higher charging efficiency, make it most of the solar energy. So there will be no solar energy wasted. You know what that means. It can use almost the most efficient of solar energy. And you can see here, it has also, let me open it. Okay, it has also virus charging mode. There is a screen. You can see how much battery it can last, how much battery it will last. And here, if you charge your devices here, and this will have other things. The battery life for power station in anytime and anywhere. There are 3 ways to charge it. First one, solar panel, 100-watt solar panel. It only costs 6 to 7 hours to charge it fully charge. Yes, only need 6 hours. So if you go outside maybe at noon and go back home in the evening, it will be fully charged. And you can also charge it and use it at the same time. So it will never run out of the power. Do you know what that means? It will never run out of power. And it can also charge for your car outlet. It also needs 6 hours and 40 watts AC charging. There are 3 different charging modes for this device. But I think the most popular ways is the solar panel. You just need to bring a solar panel outside when you are camping, when you are swimming, when you are fishing, or anything. You just need a solar panel to use the sunlight to charge for it. So it is portable and it is very efficiency for you to use, I think. So you will no longer power shortage during outdoor. It has 2 60 watts PD ultra fast charging ports and 2 36 type A ports. And you may have many questions of its protection, of this device's safety. It has multi-protection, all around the protection. This will care your safety most. This has UL, CE, FCC, every state. It has full certification. It is fully certificated, and it is waterproof. The level of its waterproof is about IP21. It is very high. The waterproof of it is very high. And this is anti-drop and vibration. Anti-drop and vibration. So if you just use it here, you are very careless. Just drop it on the floor. Within 2 meters, it will never damage. Within 2 meters, it will never damage. So that means if you bring it outside, you just drop it on the floor, it will never damage. So you will have no worry of safety of these devices. And it also has short circuit protection of AC port. I think this is the most important function of this power protection. Because if you use it to charge for your maybe very huge devices, right? Like cook machine, like coffee maker, like a digital electrical kettle, you will have the worry of short circuit, right? If it causes the short circuit, what can you do? You will never have that worry because it has short protection of AC port, and the PC and the outside is PC plus ABS with zero flame retardant panels, so it is fireproof and anti-impact. You will have no worries of its safety. So I think you may have the interest of what a battery management system, right? It is BMS battery system built-in battery management system is BMS. It can provide maximum protection for the battery. Because, right, like over voltage, over current, discharging over current, high temperature protection, low temperature protection, short circuit protection, overload protection, over discharge protection, and under voltage protection of automatic equalization. It has also it has all of the protection that an electrical device may need. Hi, welcome to our So it can provide maximum protection for the battery. Why? It has so much protection over voltage, over current, discharging over current, high temperature over current, low temperature protection, short circuit protection, overload protection, low power protection, under voltage protection, right? Offline protection, and so on. So you can use it everywhere, no matter outdoor or inside or indoor. No matter when you are in the office, when you are walking, when you are playing, when you are camping, when you are fishing, when you are swimming. It has all protection to protect you from any electrical emergency. Yes. So you will be not afraid of darkness during the outdoor explore. Why? Because here we also have a lumen spotlight, and it has also SOS mode for outdoor emergency. Right? You can see this is the light. So if you are outside, you just need you not only can use it as a power station, as a power bank, you also can use it as a spotlight. You can see, and it also has different mode, of course, right? SOS. So when you have any dangerous outside, you can just use this lumen spotlight to ask for help, because this is a professional SOS light. You can see, right? I think this is the most popular, and this is the best production of our company till now. If you and this is here, this is LCD screen description. You can see different things here. Here, AC, DC, right? It will show you everything that you want to know, like the fan state, the high temperature, the low temperature, and input-output power, remaining charge or discharge time, battery display, low battery alarm, AC socket, USB-A port, Type-C port, PV charging port, car output port, and overload alarm. So let's see the port. Let's see the different port of it. LCD, you can see LCD, and the output bottom, DC output bottom, and this is AC output bottom, right? This is power bottom. This is power bottom, and this is Type-C power port. What is, I think you may have output and input of this AC power port. It can achieve highest to 60 watts faster charging. And this is PV charging port. This is Type A. It's about 36 watts. Yeah, 36 watts. And this is AC power output bottom. We have different type of this AC, of course, for Europe, for Africa, for America. Yeah, we have different types of this one. Welcome here. And this is a car output. This is a car output port. It can also charge for your car. It can also charge for your electrical car, new energy car. So it can, I don't know how to describe it. It can also charge for all of your devices. and the price of it is very beautiful. It's very, very beautiful, I think. It can meet all your charging needs. And it has different charging choices. You can not only charge it with your AC port. You can also charge it with your car, with a solar panel, with a green new energy, right? But the price of it is very, very attractive, I think. And if you buy it for, I think, till a certain quantity, we will have a very huge discount for you. If you buy it for a very huge quantity, we will have a very, very good discount for you. Yes, and we can see the port description. The port input description, or AC input PV port. And do you want to know the port description? Do you want to know that? Do you want to know that? The Type A USB port is about 36 watts max. The output voltage and range is 4.75 volt to 5.25 volts. And the support port protocols is Apple 2.4a, QC 2.0 or 3.0, and FCP, AFC, DCP, SCP, and Type-C USB port maximum to 60 watts. The output voltage range is about 4.65 volt to 5.25 volt. And this is, I think this is a good campaign partner. You can see this is what we take a photo when we are outside. You can see here. This is a very good camping partner. As long as you have it, you can solve the problem of outdoor power supply and charging, and enjoy the good time outdoors. So this is our 60 watts power station. And last but not least, I will tell you the built-in battery management system, which is BMS battery system again. We provide maximum protection for the battery. How much protection we provide? First one, voltage, over current, discharging over current, high temperature protection, low temperature protection, short circuit protection. So if you charge it for your, if you charge your like coffee machine, coffee maker, your cook machine, your electrical kettle, it has a very good short circuit protection for your every devices. When you are using it, it provides maximum protection for all of your devices. The battery has no devices at all, because you may hear the news like if you charge your smartphone with a power bank for many times, the battery of your phone will be a little bit damaged. The lifetime of the battery will be shortened, right? But with this one, you will never have that worry, because the battery protect your battery. Our battery protect your battery with a very high technology in it. So it has over voltage, over current, discharging over current, high temperature protection, low temperature protection, short circuit protection, overload. I think this is also very important, right? Overload protection, over discharge protection, low power protection, under voltage protection, offline protection, and equalization. Okay, so this is our power port. So if you want to say, I don't need that much, I don't need that large capacity, because it's about 600 watts, and it has also equipped with faster charging power ports. So if you say I don't need that much capacity devices, especially this one, you can charge this. Hello, welcome. If you want to charge for it, the traditional devices, you need to charge it with your AC ports, right? But you can charge it with your solar panel. So if you are camping, if you are outside, you just need to bring a solar panel to charge for it. And also it can charge your car, and it can also be charged by your car. So this is bi-directional, you know what I mean? You just need to bring a solar panel, because it can I think 80% of efficiency to use the sunlight, to use the solar energy. So you don't need to charge it at home. You don't need your electricity to charge for it. You don't need to afford the very expensive electrical fee. You just need to bring it outside, just under the sun, just use the sunlight to charge for it. Why not? Why not? I also buy one. It is really, really very useful, especially when you are outside or when you are at home, because as I know, many teenagers, many officers, many employees attend to work from home, right? Because at home it is very casual. You can do everything you want. You can just or lie on your bed, sit on the chair, or everything. It is very portable. If you want to work at home, you don't need to just sit beside a AC port. You know what I mean? You can just sit here. You can't move everywhere, but with it, you can move everywhere at home. You can just stay everywhere you want. You know what I mean? It can charge for 6 devices at the same time. So if you bring it to your office, to your meeting room, if you have a very huge meeting, right? If you because the traditional meeting is like we just sit here, everyone sits on their seat and just sit here. But I think from the development of our world, from develop of our century, we may attend to portable working. Portable. We may. You can work anywhere. You can just. You don't need to sit here. But you can also bring it everywhere. It can charge for 6 devices, 6 computers for the same time. So if you have a meeting, no matter where, or just outside, you can just use it. You will have no worry of running out of power again. It can charge for your computer, your phone, your iPad, your car, your coffee machine, your coffee maker, your electrical kettle, your cook machine. So if you want to camp outside, or if you want to fishing, it can also charge for your. Do you know what that means? Do you know what emergency devices it has? here, it can charge for your CPAP, and it can also charge for your blood glucose meter. Almost every efficiency devices you may need, it can charge them. I think this is the most important of this thing, of these devices, of this protection, because I think no matter when, no matter you work, you study, you play, the safety of you, the wealth, the healthy of you, of your, is the most important thing, right? So this is very, very, very important for you to bring outside. So it can also use for your elder, for your mother, for your father, for your family, because I've remembered when I in Germany. Let's just talk. When I in Germany, I don't know how to speak in English. Meine Mietervater and Mietmutter. That is when I live in their house. They are my father and mother. We must to go everywhere with I don't know what is it. It's a CPAP with it, but it needs to charge everywhere. If you want to go outside for a little long time, it need to be charged. So I remember that when you went to a restaurant, she just asked the people that where is AC port? I need to charge for my devices. So with it, you can also use for your family, your children, your parents, the elder people in your family, almost everyone, every person, each of your family can use it. So if you have any interest, in this production and this production, this is a 60 watts bidirectional power station, and this is 100 watts power bank. You can feel free to contact with me, okay? So I will tell you about the characters again. The portable power station, it is portable, high capacity, bidirectional inverter, faster charging, green renewable energy, multiple protection, widely capability, and battery lifetime, and a very, very long battery lifetime. So this is our power station. If you have any interest of this power bank and this power station, please feel free to contact with me. If you buy them for a certain quantity, it will have a very, very huge discount, I think. Very, very huge discount for you, especially for you, okay? So that's it. That is all for today's video. Goodbye.